Hi beautifuls, welcome to Kalamandir live segment. This is Radhika. Today I'm here with the beautiful and amazing collection all mixed Banarasi sarees at flat 30%. Interesting, right? So it's all mixed Banarasi weaving techniques and different patterns I'm going to showcase with exclusive color combinations, and cash on delivery option is available with Kalamandir and shipping is free all over the India. There are two simple ways to shop with Kalamandir. In the description you'll be providing with all the saree links. Just click on your favorite saree code. It will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. And the number 2, while I'm showcasing the sarees, just take a screenshot along with the saree code and share us on the number 9852985299. So let's begin our show. Let me talk about the saree which I'm wearing now, which is in a beautiful red shade. All over the body we got zari weaving floral buttas, and coming to the border we got a small border self color all over zari weaving florals along with the stones work. That is a speciality for the saree. We got a stones work along with the zari weaving, and here comes the pallu all over zari woven along with this cute stones work and also nice finishing with this tassels. And for this saree we got a self color blouse all over brocade design with its zari. Let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code BA408, actual price is 3,200 and offer price is 2,240 only. That's so reasonable, and it's a Banarasi saree at such a reasonable price, and quality is too good, ladies. So grab one saree and check it out. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. Let me show you another saree. Wow, lovely bottle green color. All over the body we got jari paisleys design aligned in cross diamonds. And coming to the border, we got a zari border with paisleys and stones work mix. We got a huge border design. And coming to the pallu, self color pallu all over, huge zari woven with huge paisleys and also cute finishing with tassels. Let's move on to the blouse. And here comes blouse design. Self color blouse all over brocade with zari woven. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BA433, actual price is 3,000 and offer price is 2,100 only. So beautiful pattern. Let me show you another lovely pattern in Banaras. So we are showcasing all mixed Banarasi sarees. It would be a pattu. It would be a different weaving technique with different patterns. So here comes one more. Sea green color. All over the body we got zari weaving floral buttas. And coming to the border, we got a multicolor checks border. And in the edge, you can see the stones work. This is so different in Banarasi. Pallu is also all over stones work. And here you can see the cute finishing with these tassels. And here comes the blouse. Self plain blouse along with this stones border. Let me show you cost. Saree code BA426. Actual price is 3,400 and offer price is 2,380 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. That's so simple, right? So let me show you another lovely pattern with a lovely combination. Grey and black combination. All over the body we got zari buttas and also thread weaving. And here comes the border. Contrast border with this huge peacocks, and in the edge you can see zari khadi and stones work, and here you can see the khadi. And here comes the pallu. Contrast zari woven pallu along with the stones work, and here you can see the cute finishing with tassels. And here is the blouse. Contrast plain color blouse along with this border. Let me show you cost. Saree code BA445, actual price is 4,300 and offer price is 3,010 only. Moving on to the next saree. So we have a beautiful all mixed Banarasi collection in today's live show. So don't miss, ladies, stay tuned to this live show. And here comes light brown and dark maroon color combination. All over the body we got a ikat print, and border it's a tissue border with zari woven all over, peacocks. And here you can see the stones work with birds and floral combination. And here comes the pallu. Stones work all over and cute finishing with these tassels. And here comes the blouse. Contrast plain blouse along with this zari and stones border combination. You can customize this blouse in your own way. Let me show you cost details. Sari code BA441. Actual price is 4,500 and offer price is 3,150 only. So let's move on to the next interesting sari pattern. Wow, it's orange all over and zari buttas we got for the body and border. It's self-color border with pasleys and stones work. Pallu is also with stones work and zari woven. And cute finishing with these tassels. I love this cute tassels at the edge of the pallu. And here comes the blouse. Itself zari woven blouse. Let me show you cost. Sari code BA437. Actual price is 3,000 and offer price is 2,100 only. So moving on to the next sari. So beautiful color, right? So we got a beautiful single shade patterns. Banarasi sari with stone work. Green color. All over body we got a figure weaving prints. And here comes the border. Elephants and peacocks and florals combination along with the stone work. Pallu. Self color all over zari woven along with the stone work. And here comes the tassels. And here comes blouse design, self color all over zari woven. Let me show you the cost details. Sari code BA394. Actual price is 3,000 and offer price is 2,100 only. So to purchase, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, ladies, you can drop a message on the same number 9852985299. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. So you need not to worry for that. Let's move on to the next sari. Wow, very bright orange color sari. All over the body we got a zari floral buttas. And border, we have seen this pattern, very different pattern border design. Multicolored checks and here on the zari khadi we got stones work. And pallu, stones work and buttas with stones and cute finishing with these tassels. Very cute, right? And let me show you the blouse. Here comes the blouse, self plain blouse along with the stones border. Let me show you cost. Sari code BA423. Actual price is 3,400 and offer price is 2,380 only. So to purchase this lovely sari, as you all know, take screenshot and share us on number 9852985299. Moving on to the next sari. Wow, lovely green color, sea green color. All over the body we got pasleys and floral buttas with zari. Wow, here is the beautiful border design here. So human riding on horses and also this pallaki design and beautiful. It's like a marriage theme for the border. And coming to the pallu, all over zari woven along with the stone work and also contrast cute finishing with the tassels. And here comes the blouse. Beautiful Banarasi saris we are showcasing. And here comes the blouse. Self-color blouse all over zari woven buttas. Let me show you cost. Sari code BI697. Actual price is 4,100 and offer price is 2,870 only. So in the same pattern, we got one more beautiful color. Yellow color. Sorry. Yellow color. Very bright yellow color. All over the body we got zari buttas. And here comes the border. The same marriage theme. It's bridegroom riding on the horse and this pallaki design. Pallu, zari woven all over with stones and also cute finishing with tassels. And here comes the blouse. Self-color blouse all over zari buttas. Let me show you pricing details. Sari code BI696. Actual price is 4,100 and offer price is 2,870 only. Such a reasonable price, ladies. So Banarasi saris, it's all mixed Banarasi saris we are showcasing. You know, Banarasi, it's a weaving technique from India, that is Varanasi, right? So that's emotion. That's the emotion we have this with these Banarasi saris. Moving on to the next sari. Wow, it's a lovely combination out here. Pink and magenta color combination. All over the body we got floral zal. And here you can see for the border we got flower vase. And also brocade design along with the stones work. Pallu is also contrast all over zari woven diamonds design. And it's cute finishing with these tassels. And we got a very simple blouse to carry. Contrast plain along with the border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI683. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So to purchase, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Let's move on to the next saree. Wow, it's a Pasupu Kunkuma theme. That is yellow and red color saree, Banarasi saree with stone work. All over body we got floral zal and border contrast to zari border with stones. Pallu is also contrast to zari woven along with the stones and tassels. And here comes the blouse, plain contrast along with the border. Let me show you cost. Saree code BB998. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. Moving on to the next saree. So we got all mixed Banarasi sarees in today's collection. So here comes one more different pattern, parrot green color, a bit Paithani mix. Light green color all over the body. We got floral zal with figures, bird figures, and coming to the border, self color border with birds and florals, zari florals. Pallu, it's self color pallu all over zari woven along with the birds and cute finishing with the tassels. And wow, this is so awesome blouse design, multi-color brocade design all over. Let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code BI689. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. It's a beautiful saree. For more collections and updates, you can also follow us on our digital platform. So how to follow? Have a look at this video. I'll be back soon.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back ladies. Here I am with the beautiful and lovely red color saree. It's looking like Paithani border all over the body. And all over the body we got a heavy zari woven floral zal. And coming to the border, self color border with florals. And pallu is also self color all over heavy zari woven and also cute finishing with these threads. And let's check out the blouse. Wow, blouse design is too good. It's a self color blouse all over zari woven checks. Let me show you cost details of the saree. So this is another Banarasi pattern. It's a Paithani Pattu saree. Saree code BH666. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So we got a beautiful colors in this Paithani Pattu sarees. Let me show you. Wow, lovely magenta color saree. All over body we got a floral zal, zari floral zal. And here comes the border, contrast zari border. Pallu, it's all over zari woven pallu. And I love this blouse design. Self color blouse all over zari checks along with this border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI686. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So to purchase this saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So let's move on to the next saree. So we got a beautiful pattern, right? I love this pattern, Paithani Pattu saree. It looks so awesome when you wear it. So in Paithani Pattu saree, we got a light green color. All over body we got zari florals and border with florals. Pallu, Paithani pallu the zari woven. And here comes the blouse. So my favorite blouse design, that is brocade blouse design, self color. So looking so classic. And this saree cost is saree code BE143. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So in Paithani Pattu sarees, we got a lot of beautiful colors. So let me show you one after one. So here it is coming one more color. Lovely navy blue color. Zari woven all over. Body all over florals and Paithani border with florals. Pallu, Paithani pallu all over zari woven and floral motifs. And here comes brocade blouse, self color. Let me show you cost details of this lovely saree. Don't miss this pattern, ladies. This is a lovely Paithani Pattu saree. If Paithani Pattu saree is anyone's favorite, grab this best color. Saree code BE141. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. Lovely color. I love this color too. This is looking so bright. And let me show you one more bright color. Wow, lovely, lovely magenta color. This one also suits everyone very well. Purple color. All over the body we got florals. Zari border with florals. Pallu. Paithani pallu, zari woven all over with huge tree motifs and also cute finishing with this threads. And here comes the blouse, self color blouse all over brocade design along with this border. Very cute, right? So let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code BE133. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So beautiful. While purchasing, if you are facing any issues, you can drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. So here comes one more lovely color in Paithani Pattu saree, that is yellow color. All over the body we got florals. And here comes the border, Paithani border. And here comes pallu, Paithani pallu, all over multicolored thread weaving, tree motifs along with this cute finishing with threads. And here comes the blouse. Self color blouse, brocade one along with this border. Very lovely. You can customize this in your own way. Let me show you cost details of this Paithani Pattu saree. Saree code BE146. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So moving on to the next color. Wow, lovely purple color again. So we got a different design for this saree. All over body we got florals. And here comes the border. Floral border. Pallu. Self color pallu all over florals and also tree motifs. Here comes the threads. And here comes the blouse. Self plain blouse. It's all over brocade one along with the border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI686. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Oh, this is also very different Paithani Pattu saree. Navy blue color. All over body we got floral zal and also bird figures. And coming to the border we got a birds and florals. Pallu. Zari woven pallu with huge peacock motifs. And let's check out the blouse. Wow, that is so awesome blouse. Multicolor weaving all over checks with zari. And let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code BI687. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. It's so reasonable price, ladies. Banarasi sarees at such a reasonable price with awesome quality, and that too at such a reasonable price we are giving you Paithani sarees as well. So don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir, ladies. This offer is valid for 24 hours only, and that too applicable to online viewers only. So hurry up, grab your favorite saree. Let's move on to the next saree. Wow, red color Paithani saree. All over body we got floral zal, and coming to the border, we got self color floral zal border and Paithani pallu zari woven. And here comes the blouse, self color blouse, all over zari checks, brocade one. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BH655. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So for more collections, you can also visit our stores which are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Please do visit our stores and you can feel the fabric. Moving on to the next saree. Wow. So here we are with another Banarasi pattern, ikat design with Banarasi sarees. It is yellow color saree. All over body we got ikat print. And coming to the border, we got a golden zari border and this beautiful work lace with stones and embroidery. And pallu. For pallu also we got this lace and all over zari woven with stones. And for this also we got this beautiful finishing. And let me show you the blouse. Self plain blouse along with this lace. Let me show you cost. Saree code BI685. Actual price is 4,100 and offer price is 2,870 only. Let's move on to the next saree. Wow, this is also same pattern. We got a lovely bright color navy blue with ikat print Banarasi saree. All over body we got ikat print. Border with the stones and zari border, contrast one along with this lace. Pallu, zari woven pallu along with the lace. And here comes the blouse. Plain contrast blouse along with this border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BA464. Actual price is 4,300 and offer price is 3,010 only. So, do you know how to purchase? There are two simple ways to shop with Kalamandir. In the description, you will be providing with all the saree links. Just click on your favorite saree code. It will direct our website. From there, you can shop very easily. Or it's just take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 9852985299. Moving on to the next saree. Wow, Banarasi ikat print saree, peach color and also magenta color combination. All over body we got ikat print. Border contrast with zari florals and also with this lace. Pallu contrast all over zari woven along with this lace and stones work. And here comes the border. Plain contrast along with this lace border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BA450. Actual price is 4,300 and offer price is 3,010 only. That's awesome pattern. So still we have all mixed Banarasi sarees. So still lot more to show you. So don't miss this live show, ladies. Stay tuned. Wow, navy blue and red color ikat design Banarasi saree. Body with ikat print. Border is contrast with zari woven and also with the stones work. Pallu contrast all over zari woven along with the stones work. And here comes the blouse, plain contrast blouse along with this border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BA457. Actual price is 4,100 and offer price is 2,870 only. Moving on to the next saree. So how is the collection, ladies? It's a beautiful all mixed Banarasi saree collection with flat 30%. So don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir. This offer is valid for 24 hours only and that too applicable to online viewers only. So hurry up, grab your favorite pattern and favorite, Banarasi type as well. Lovely light orange and dark pink color combination. This is also very rare. All over body we got floral zal. Contrast zari border with this florals and also stones work. Pallu, it's a zari woven pallu, contrast one. And here comes the blouse. Plain contrast blouse along with this stones border. Let me show you cost. Saree code BI684, actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So we are done with this pattern. Let me show you another Banarasi pattern. So it's Banarasi Pattu Sari. We got a different combination, grey and red color combination. All over body we got peacocks and floral zal. Border we got a medium border, contrast one with this florals, peacocks and zari khadi. Pallu, it's contrast all over zari woven, brocade one. And here comes the blouse, plain contrast blouse along with this border. You can customize this in your own way. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI670, actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So let me show you few more colors and different Banarasi Pattu sarees. For more collections and updates, you can also follow us on our digital platforms. So for Instagram, ID is Kalamandir Fashions. For Facebook, it is Kalamandir, and for YouTube, it is Kalamandir. Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on a bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will be setting yourself on top of our Kalamandir's new arrivals. Let's move on to the next saree. And you can also visit our website www.kalamandir.com. So lovely color combination here. In green, sea green it is. So with a different shade and also pink color combination. All over body we got zari florals and peacocks. Border it's contrast with florals, peacocks and also zari khadi. And here comes the pallu. Contrast to zari woven pallu all over. And wow, this blouse pattern is very different. Contrast blouse all over, brocade. We got Rudraksha brocade all over the blouse. Let me show you cost details. So it is Banarasi Pattu Sari. Saree code BI668. Actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. That is so reasonable price, ladies. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir. Let's move on to the next sari. So Banarasi Pattu Sari, cream and maroon color combination. All over body we got checks and florals. Border is contrast with florals and zari khadi. Pallu is also contrast all over zari woven. And here comes the blouse. Plain contrast blouse along with the border. Here it is, the border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI677. Actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So we are showcasing different patterns in Banarasi Pattu sarees as well. Here comes mustard yellow and green color combination. This is also very different and rare combination. All over body we got zari floral buttas. Border with zari weaving all over, florals. Edges highlighted with contrast. Pallu is also zari woven all over and cute stripes in the edge. And here comes the blouse, plain contrast blouse along with the border. Let me show you cost details of this lovely sari. Saree code BI674. Actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So here comes grey and maroon color again combination. All over body we got peacock florals and border it's contrast with peacocks and zari khadi. Pallu contrast with zari woven brocade design. And here comes the blouse, plain contrast blouse along with the border. You can see the border here. Let me show you cost details. So this is a very beautiful combination. Saree code BI670, actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So we have showcased Ikat Banarasi sarees and this kind of soft Banarasi sarees, and now I am showcasing Banarasi Pattu sarees. Sorry. Cream and maroon color combination. All over the body we got zari florals. And here comes the border, contrast with peacocks and florals and also diamond brocade. And here comes pallu, contrast brocade pallu. And this saree paid up with a plain contrast blouse along with the border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI660, actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So beautiful Banarasi Pattu sarees we are showcasing in all mixed Banarasi sarees. So few more Banarasi Pattu sarees are left. Let me show you. With beautiful combinations. Pink and magenta color. All over body we got zari buttas. Border. Contrast with peacocks and florals. Edges highlighted with this contrast. Pallu, contrast all over, leaf brocade. And here comes the blouse. Plain contrast blouse along with the border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BD19, actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So beautiful Banarasi Pattu saree collection, right? So Kalamandir is giving 30% of discount on today's all mixed Banarasi sarees. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir ladies. Choose your favorite saree from today's collection while I'm showcasing. Just take a screenshot. It's very simple and share us on the number 9852985299 to book your favorite saree. Lovely green and red color combination. All over body we got zari buttas. Coming to the border, contrast zari khadi border along with the florals. Pallu is also contrast all over zari woven, heavy zari woven, looking rich. And here comes the blouse, plain contrast blouse. You can customize this in your own way. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI671, actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. Moving on to the next saree. Wow, this is also very different color, teal blue and pink color combination. Banarasi Pattu saree. All over body we got zari floral buttas looking so heavy, and border contrast with peacocks and florals and this diamond brocade. Edges highlighted with another shade, contrast one. And contrast pallu with brocade design. And here comes the blouse, plain contrast along with this border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI666, actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So lovely Banarasi Pattu sarees. So let me show you one more color. Light orange and pink color combination. All over body we got the same pattern like previous one, zari buttas. And border contrast with peacocks and zari khadi. Pallu is also contrast all over zari woven. We got orange and pink color combination. And let's check out the blouse. Here comes the blouse, plain contrast blouse along with this border. Let me show you cost. Saree code BI672, actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So Banarasi sarees at such a reasonable price, ladies. So in today's collection speciality is that we are showcasing all mixed Banarasi patterns. So choose your favorite one along with your favorite color. Wow, here comes green and red color. All over the body we got zari buttas looking so heavy, and border contrast with peacocks and diamond brocade. Pallu, it's contrast with zari woven all over. And we got a simple plain contrast blouse along with the border. Very simple to carry. It elevates total look of the saree. When saree design is heavy, a simple blouse, it's a perfect match, right? Let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code BI663. Actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450 only. So moving on to the next saree. So we have seen this pattern. It's navy blue and red color. All over the body, zari buttas, border contrast to zari border with peacocks and florals. Pallu is also contrast with zari woven all over and also stripes. And blouse, very simple to carry, plain contrast along with the border. Let me show you cost. Saree code BI667. Actual price is 3,500 and offer price is 2,450. Let me show you another beautiful saree. So before showing the another saree, so do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Have a look at this video. I'll be back soon.
Step into the world of beautiful, exquisite sarees close to our heart. Don't forget to follow the everyday live shows on the Instagram and Facebook pages.
So here comes another lovely Banarasi pattern. Orange color saree. So overall saree we got a single color. Body with booties, zari booties. Border all over golden zari. And here you can see florals and diamond brocade. So border design, it's very heavy and stunning. And coming to the pallu, rich pallu, zari woven pallu. And here comes the blouse. It's plain self color blouse along with the border. So beautiful, right? So let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code BI655. Actual price is 1,500 and offer price is, wow, it's so reasonable, 1,050 only. So hurry up ladies. I'm going to showcase lovely colors in this pattern. So stay tuned. Here comes pink color. Body with zari buttas. Border heavy zari khadi, florals and diamond brocade. Pallu, contrast zari woven pallu. So it's a self color zari woven pallu. And here comes the blouse. Self plain color blouse along with this border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI662. Actual price is 1,500 and offer price is 1,050 only. So we got a beautiful color combinations in this pattern. If green is your favorite, here it is. All over body we got zari buttas. Border, zari border, khadi border along with this diamond brocade. Pallu all over zari woven, looking so rich. And all over the saree we got heavy design, and that's why they have given simple, plain, self color blouse along with the border. Perfect match. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI658. Actual price is 1,500 and offer price is 1,050 only. So by the way, how is the collection ladies? It's all mixed Banarasi, super bright. So comment me which one is your favorite color and which is your favorite pattern. Let's move on to the next saree. Wow, red color saree. All of our favorite. Beautiful Banarasi pattu saree. All over the body we got zari buttas and border. Zari khadi border, florals and diamond brocade. Pallu is also heavy zari woven all over. And here comes self plain blouse along with the border. Let's check out pricing details of the saree. Saree code BI661. Actual price is 1,500 and offer price is 1,050 only. So we got few more colors. Just stay tuned ladies. So still we have a lot of surprises for you. Wow, off-white and yellow color combination. This is also very different. All over body we got florals and also self-embossed florals. Border is contrast with florals. Here comes the pallu. Contrast to zari woven pallu. And let's check out the blouse. We got a single piece in this pattern. we got this contrast plain blouse along with this border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI682, actual price is 1400 and offer price is it's 980 only. Wow, that's so reasonable price. So don't get late, ladies. Grab this favorite saree. Price is also very reasonable. Let's move on to the next saree. Wow, my favorite magenta color in this pattern. All over body we got zari buttas, border, zari khadi and also diamond brocade and florals combination. Huge border, pallu, self color pallu with zari woven all over, looking so rich. And here comes the blouse, self plain blouse along with the border. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI657, actual price is 1500 and offer price is 1050 only. So we got one more color in this. Let me show you. So beautiful patterns, right? Wow, pink color. It's like a Indian red color, we can say it's an Indian red color, very bright, right? So Indian red color with Indian weaving technique, Banarasi saree. All over the body we got zari booties, self color border with zari khadi, diamond brocade and florals. Pallu, self color, zari woven pallu. And here comes self plain along with the border blouse. Let me show you cost. Saree code BI656, actual price is 1500 and offer price is 1050 only. So moving on to the next saree. So here comes another pattern, that is designer Banarasi saree. This is designery Banaras saree. All over body we got floral weaving along with the self-embossed weaving. Body with animals. Border is also contrast to zari border. We got two colors for the border, mustard yellow and orange color with peacocks and florals and also diamond khadi. Pallu, it's contrast all over, zari woven with hues, paisleys and florals. And here comes the blouse, contrast brocade blouse. So this is a Banarasi designery saree. So let's move on to the saree cost. Saree code BI692, actual price is 3000 and offer price is 2100 only. So we got few more colors in designer Banarasi sarees. Let me show you. Red color saree, all over we got animals and birds, florals are. Border dual shade, brown and orange with peacocks and florals and also brocade. Pallu is also contrast to zari woven pallu all over. And here comes the blouse, contrast brocade blouse. Let me show you cost details. Saree code BI693, actual price is 3000 and offer price is 2100 only. So we got few more designer Banarasi sarees. So here is the one, beautiful bottle green and maroon color combination. All over body we got florals, contrast to zari border. Pallu is also contrast, zari woven all over. And here comes the blouse, contrast brocade blouse. Let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code AY332, actual price is 2500 and offer price is 1750 only. So let's move on to the next saree. So another green and red color combination. All over body we got floral print, zari border, it's like kanchi border. Pallu is also contrast to zari woven pallu. And here comes the blouse. So we got a different brocade design for the blouse. It's like geometric design, contrast blouse. Let me show you cost details of the saree. Saree code BI691, actual price is 2500 and offer price is 1750 only. So let's move on to the next saree. Wow, this is awesome. Very different and funky design we got for the saree. It's a dark green color and red color combination. All over body we got digital print. It is the geometric design. Border golden zari border, contrast one. Pallu is also contrast zari woven pallu. And here comes the blouse. So for this also we got a different brocade design, contrast brocade blouse with zari checks and also with print. Let me show you cost. Saree code BI690, actual price is 2,500 and offer price is 1,750 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So we are not yet done with the sarees, ladies. 3 more mannequin sarees are there. Let's have a look on these sarees as well. So beautiful designer Banarasi saree, mustard yellow and orange color saree. All over body we got animals and floral print. Contrast border, we got 2 colors for the border, orange and maroon. Zari border, pallu is also contrast zari woven pallu. And when coming to the blouse, it's contrast brocade blouse. So to purchase this saree, take screenshot along with the saree code. Here comes it is BI694. Actual price is 3,000 and offer price is 2,100 only. So let's move on to the next saree. Such a lovely sarees. So it's all mixed Banarasi sarees. We have showcased you Banarasi designer sarees, also pattu sarees, Paithani pattu sarees and soft Banarasi sarees which I wore now. And here comes one more lovely saree. It's a soft Banarasi saree. All over body we got zari floral zal. Border it's contrast with zari florals and also along with the stone work. Pallu is also contrast zari pallu with stone work. And here comes the blouse. Contrast plain blouse along with this border with stone work. Saree code BE997, actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So beautiful Banarasi sarees. So still one more mannequin saree is there. Let's have a look on this as well. So it's Banarasi Paithani pattu saree. All over body we got zari woven florals. Border self color with floral zal. Pallu is also self color all over zari woven. And for blouse also self color all over zari woven along with the border. So that's a beautiful Paithani pattu saree. Saree code BH664. Actual price is 3,900 and offer price is 2,730 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So lovely all Banarasi mix collection I have showcased you today, which is at flat 30%. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir, ladies. Grab your favorite saree. We have showcased you Paithani pattu sarees, Banarasi pattu sarees, soft Banarasi sarees and also designer Banarasi sarees and also Banarasi sarees along with the stone work. So don't miss this beautiful collection from Kalamandir. Choose your favorite one. If you're not done shopping with Kalamandir, try one saree. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love the collection and you're gonna love the quality and the reason price as well. Okay, this is time to say goodbye. Keep watching the Kalamandir live shows. This is Radhika. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.
Step into the world of beautiful, exquisite sarees close to our heart. Don't forget to follow the everyday live shows on the Instagram and Facebook pages.